Hello, I'm Professor Brothers, and I'm going to do a quick video on sustainability. Sustainable design or sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. This according to the World Commission on Environment and Development. So what is sustainable design? Sustainable design is considering impacts such as global design, which is creating solutions that address the needs of diverse communities worldwide, while considering cultural, environmental, and economic differences between those peoples. For instance, design for accessibility, promote international collaboration, support global sustainability goals. Sustainable design also includes considering the environmental impacts of what you're making. Consider to try to minimize the negative impacts on the natural world while promoting ecological balance. This can be done by a couple of things. First, consider energy efficiency with your design, eco-friendly materials, and life cycle thinking. Life cycle thinking is considering the product from creation all the way to disposal. What's the impact on the materials that are going to be used? How much energy does that take to actually create the materials that go into the design, all the way up to the disposal of those materials? How are they going to be disposed of at the end of the product's life cycle? We need to think about more, though, than just the environment. We also need to think about our designs from a user's perspective. We need to think about the health, safety, and welfare of our design. A sustainable solution is not just about the environment. It must also safeguard people's health, ensure the safety of the users, and promote welfare for lasting positive impacts. The health, safety, and welfare is often called HSW. This ensures that designs protect and enhance human well-being and societal quality of life. Let's go through these definitions real quick. Health. This is designing systems that reduce the risk and support a healthy environment for the users and the workers. For instance, you can think about ergonomics, user-friendly design, and user experience. Safety. Preventing hazards and accidents through compliance with standards, testing, and following design practices, such as the engineering design process. Examples of these include overload and short circuit protection, electromagnetic field shielding, and other things of this nature. Welfare, enhancing the quality of life by addressing societal needs and benefiting communities. You can think of things like rural electrification, water purification systems, disaster recovery solutions. Put together, these three should be considerations for every product that we make. How do we actually go about creating a sustainable design? We need to do this in a couple of ways. The first thing that we should do is always go through risk management. This is identifying and mitigating potential hazards during the engineering process. And remember, this is always easier done on pencil and paper than when a product actually gets out into the world. So do this early in your process, identify the risks, and then figure out how to reduce them. Ethical responsibility. We've talked in this class about ethics and what it means for an engineer. We have a responsibility to uphold the health, safety, and welfare of our designs as they affect the people in this world. Finally, we need to consider sustainability, creating solutions that both help the people of the present and the future. So by putting these three things together, the societal, economic, and the environment, we can come up with sustainable designs. Thank you.